Yes, students, what we have discussed yesterday, that the pressure, that liquids exert pressure at the bottom of any plastic bottle also and at the walls of that container. Yes, if we pass hole at equal height, yes, then the liquid that is coming with the pressure, then the pressure from these hole, the pressure of liquid from these hole A and B will be equal because these are at equal height. Okay. Now, in the other case, if I want to measure the pressure at A and B, so where will be the more pressure? Yes, Rishka, where will be the more pressure? Yes, the pressure will be more at A because as we go down, what will happen? The pressure increases. Pressure increases as we go down. Okay, so there will at A point pressure will be more. Okay, similarly, therefore the dams, we have you all know what are dams. So the walls of dam are made thicker at the bottom, so that because at the bottom of the dam the pressure is very large. Okay, so here the pressure will be very large as compared to this point. Yes, if we compare any point, if we compare A with B, then the pressure at B will be more as compared to A. Therefore the walls are made thick ताकि वो उतना जो उसका प्रेशर है उसको फेस कर सके. Okay, and similarly the another example is the person who do sea diving, they have a special suit. Yes, so that why they have special suit, so that they can withstand with the pressure of liquid. Yes, otherwise they will face so much high pressure. Okay, and they will also get harm. Therefore, they have special suits. Okay, clear? Now we will proceed to the next topic. We have studied that solid also exert pressure and liquid also exert pressure. Okay, now next we will talk about gases exert pressure or not. Okay, on the same points, gases also exert pressure. Okay, we will see how. There is a envelope of air around us. Yes, that we call atmosphere. Yes, it is called atmosphere, the envelope of air around us. Envelope of air around us. So this atmosphere on page number 140, and the atmosphere extends up to many kilometers above the surface of Earth, and it is extended up to many kilometers. Okay, Earth is surrounded by this atmosphere. So there is also pressure exerted by this air. Okay, that we call atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by air on us is called atmospheric pressure. Okay, clear? Atmospheric pressure. Clear? Now it is clear to you that the pressure exerted by the air on us. Okay. Now, if we want to find, we know that pressure is equal to force upon area. This we have discussed. Okay, what is the formula for pressure? It is force upon area. Yes, now in figure 11.17, see that image? If we imagine a unit area, a very long cylinder standing on it, filled with air, then weight of air in the cylinder is the atmospheric pressure. So just imagine a What do you mean by unit area? That is, unit area means you can select 1 meter into 1 meter whose length is also 1 meter and breadth is also 1 meter. Okay. For example, I have selected this area 1 meter into 1 meter. I am mentioning here. Okay. So just imagine there is a cylinder over it. Okay. I will draw the diagram again. I can't make cylinder on it. So yes, now it is formed. Okay, and it is also 1 meter and also 1 meter. Okay, so what will the next step, that the air which is present in it, the whole air which is present in it is equal to the weight of the total air is equal to the atmospheric pressure. That the weight of air, obviously there will be air, हमारे आसपास सभी आसपास हमारे एयर है. ओके, जो हम एक एरिया भी सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें जो हम इमेजिन कर रहे हैं सिलेंडर, उसमें भी तो एयर होगी. ठीक है, सो देयर विल बी एयर. द वेट ऑफ एयर that will give you the atmospheric pressure. Okay, that will give you the atmospheric pressure. Now we have to measure pressure is large or small. Okay, what type of pressure is exerted by gas? It is small or large. There is an activity 11.11 that will show that it is large or not. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. Yes, the activity is that you need just a quality rubber. Okay, it is a rubber sucker. Okay, that we required. Okay, and next is that when you press the sucker, so please see that the person is pressing the sucker. What will happen? Then the most of the air between cup and surface escapes out. Okay, and it is very difficult to remove that sucker again. Okay, why it is difficult? Because there is a pressure that is atmosphere exerting on it. Yes, so it is very difficult to remove. Okay, what you can do, you just remove the rubber sucker from its one side. What will happen at that time? Gas, the air will enter into it and it is easy to remove the sucker. Yes, but when the person is applying pressure on it, what will happen? The air between the cup and surface escapes out and the sucker will sticks to the surface. Why it will sticks to the surface? Because the pressure that is acting on it is very large. Okay, and it is even larger than the atmospheric pressure. Yes, so the person has to apply more force than the atmospheric pressure so that it can be removed. Okay, if there is no air between the surface and the sucker, that is a mirror or the plastic rubber sucker, the rubber sucker, then it will be very difficult to remove that rubber sucker. Okay, just see the video again. The person is applying it on the mirror. Yes, so it is very difficult to remove. The person is applying more force. Okay, what the person do? It will remove from one side and then it will be easy to open. Okay, now see here, it is the any surface. Okay, and it's the rubber sucker. Okay, when the person is applying to a force to remove it, it does not remove. Why? Because the air between the surface and the sucker, it escapes out. Okay, and it is very difficult to remove that rubber sucker. Okay, so the person is applying more force. So you are saying that it is the pressure when it will be removed. When you apply pressure more than the atmospheric pressure. When you apply pressure more than atmospheric pressure. क्योंकि इसके ऊपर भी प्रेशर लग रहा है, इसीलिए वो जल्दी खुल नहीं रहा. You are getting my point? When you apply pressure more than atmospheric pressure, then it will be open. Okay. Other you can do is you just insert the air into the rubber sucker by उसको थोड़ा सा खोल के उसमें कर दीजिए. That will be easy. But you are saying that the person is applying more pressure than the atmospheric pressure. So it means it is very strong. Yes, and the pressure that is exerted by the atmosphere is very large. Yes, clear to you all? Raise your hand if you have any doubt. Okay, as it is clear now, the other important thing is if there is no air means it is vacuum. If vacuum is present, then now it is very difficult to remove the rubber sucker by any person. It cannot be removed if there is no air. Okay. Vacuum is the medium in which there is no presence of any air. Okay. There is no medium, no solid, no liquid, no gas. Okay, and it is called vacuum. Clear? Now next is on the page number 141. Does it give you an idea how large the atmospheric pressure is? Yes, you got the idea that you have to apply more force. Okay. If the area on my head were 15 into 15 centimeter. For example, if there is any person and is the head of that person, area of the head is 15 into 15. 15 multiplied 15 centimeter. Yes, area, length and breadth is 15 and 15 centimeter. Then what will be the weight he is carrying? What will be the weight? I have told you that the area is, in the starting I have told you that the area that we get of the atmosphere, the area of this pipe, for example, is equal to the weight. Okay, and it will be equal to the weight. The pressure that we get is that how much weight the person is carrying on his head. How we can find it? The weight of air column, just read the para, the weight of air column, of air in a column of the height of the atmosphere and area 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter is nearly equal to the weight. So the area is equal to the weight of an object. Okay. So what will be the area? 15 multiplied by 15. So it will be 225 kilogram. Okay. Weight के unit क्या होते हैं? Kilogram. Okay. If someone asks you that how you can find the weight that you have, that is the pressure that is exerting on your head, how you can find that? Area is equal to weight. What will be the area? Length multiplied by breadth 15 into 15 and the weight will be 225 kilogram. Clear? It is not solved on your book. And in the bracket it is given 2250 Newton. Okay, you can either learn it or I will suggest a method to you for solving this. How the term 2250 Newton comes. Okay, you want to learn as it is, or I solve it on the board?
Ma'am, solve.
Ma'am, solve.
Okay, I am solving it on the board. So just see it carefully. Okay, how the term is coming. Please concentrate here. So, what is the area that is given in 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter? Just see here. Okay, and it will come 225 centimeters cube. Okay, it is the area. Yes. To convert centimeter into meter, what we have to do? We divide with 100. Okay, either you can convert here or you can convert after it. Okay, I am converting it first. 15 over 100. Then it will be in meters squares. Okay, now it is easy. Then the term in form is 225 over 10,000. Okay, it is a term that you get. Now, it is the area. You all know that pressure is equal to force upon area. What I want to find? I want to find force. Yes, so what will be the force? Pressure into area. Okay. Before it, understand this, the unit of atmosphere pressure is 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere. In the case of gases, okay, I am talking about in the case of gases. Okay, what are the units of pressure that we have done yesterday? Name that unit.
Pascal.
Pascal. Pascals. Pascal. Newton.
Just raise your hand. Yes, Jannat, please answer. Very good. Yashpreet.
Ma'am, Pascal.
Yes, Jannat, please answer, बच्चे.
Ma'am, Pascal.
Okay. You all know the units that is the unit of pressure is Pascal. Okay. So what is the relation between these Pascal and atmosphere? 1 atmosphere is equal to 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Okay. Here we are using. We are doing for it for gases. So the unit of air atmospheric pressure is 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. So here we write 10 raised to power 5. Means 5 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And area is 225 over 10,000. So what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros cut jayenge and you will get the answer 2250. Okay? You got my point? The area is 15 centimeters. Convert the centimeter into meter. Yes. Multiply it. Force कितना आ जाएगा? Pressure into area. Pressure कितना होता है? 1 atmosphere is equal to 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. It is that we have previous done. Okay? And the atmospheric pressure के units क्या होते हैं? Atmosphere. दोनों related हैं आपस में. ठीक है? तो 1 atmosphere कितना होगा? 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. We will write here. Okay, then 4 zeros are cut. Now the answer is 2250. The units of force is Newton. So here you get the 2250 Newton. Clear? If you don't understand, you can ask me anytime. Okay, now, so next topic is, just tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
The pressure, how it varies. If the person, suppose any person is there, okay? वो कहाँ पे रहता है? पहले सी लेवल पे रहता है, ठीक है, और एट हाई एल्टीट्यूड भी रह के आया है, ठीक है. So the pressure exerted, where the pressure will be high, where it is large, at the sea level or high altitude.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sea
sea
level.
level. In sea level.
Sea level.
It is L.
Sea level.
I write it again. You can say mountains also. Okay. So, what will be the pressure? Where it is high?
Sea level.
The pressure is
Sea
high
level.
at the sea level.
Sea level.
Why? Because here you can see the height. Here you can also see the height. So, pressure जो air है वो जहाँ पे ज्यादा होगी, ठीक है, air जहाँ पे ज्यादा होगी वहां पे उसका उतना ही pressure, उसका atmosphere का pressure ज्यादा होगा. Okay, so here height is more. So the air pressure is more. Okay, clear? If the person is at the mountains, then here the height is less. Okay, the air, the amount of air will be less, and therefore pressure will be less. So the pressure at sea level is more than the pressure at the mountains. You all know that as we go at heights, the pressure decreases. Okay, why it is decreases? It is a reason. Okay, so next example is the person who go to the mountains. What they carry oxygen cylinder with them. Okay, because why? Because at heights the pressure decreases. Yes, and the amount of oxygen is also decreased. Clear? So they carry oxygen cylinders with them. Okay. Now, the pressure that is exerted on the person is from all the sides. Okay. अगर वो प्रेशर ज्यादा हो तो फिर क्या हो सकता है, वो चीज क्रैक हो सकती है. Why we don't get any harm if the pressure is very large? अगर प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा है तो वो प्रेशर हम पे भी लग रहा है सभी तरफ से, तो हम में क्यों नहीं कुछ होता? The question is this: because what happens, the blood is flowing inside our body, it is also flowing with the pressure. Okay, what will happen? The pressure that is exerting from the outside compensate with the pressure of the body that is from inside the body. Okay, these cancel each other. It is the outside pressure, atmospheric pressure, and it is from the inside. Blood is also flowing with the pressure in our body. Why we don't get any harm? Because body is also exerting some pressure. That pressure will cancel each other, so there is no harm to us. Okay? आप सभी ने नोट किया होगा कि ब्लड वेसल्स, नोज ब्लीडिंग होने लग जाती है कई पर्सन्स को जब वो हाइट्स पे जाते हैं. Why? Because the pressure is rupturing the blood vessels. Okay, due to which nose bleeding occurs. Clear? Now, you know that another example is of aeroplane. The air, obviously air is present, yes, but still the aeroplane does not get any harm. Why? Because the pressure of air is in the aeroplane cancels the outside pressure. ओके, इसलिए उसको कोई हार्म नहीं होता है. सिमिलर जो सी डाइवर्स हैं उनको भी इतना प्रेशर नहीं लगता है, इसलिए वो ज्यादा सूट्स जो अगर वो लिक्विड में जाते हैं, पानी में भी जाते हैं, तो इतना वो हैवी सूट डालते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज क्लियर दैट प्रेशर इज exerted by the liquid also and air also. Now I am just telling the applications of pressure. Okay, next is there is another example also. You all drink cold drink by using straw. Yes, what will happen? How the water, the cold drink come into your mouth? For example, it is any can. Okay, there is a straw, and the person is sucking cold drink. Yes, it is filled with cold drink. Then cold drink is there. What happens? The person sucks from here. The person sucks cold drink. Yes. So when the person sucks the cold drink, this area get empty. Okay, क्योंकि उसने एयर को जो है सक कर लिया है. ठीक है, then what will happen? This space is empty. So this space that is empty is filled with the liquid. You are getting my point? This space that is empty is filled with the liquid. In this way, the cold drink comes into our mouth. Okay. When you pull air out of the straw in your mouth with the help of straw in your mouth, what will happen? The pressure here decreases. Okay, the pressure is less here, and this space get empty. Now the air is also exerting pressure over it. Okay, therefore the liquid moves from this position. Okay, to fill this empty gap. Clear? If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Now, just coming to the back exercise. Yes, on page number 142, give 2 examples each of situation in which you pull or push to change the state of motion of objects.